big number 7. That's where Emma Scales is celebrating. Emma, a very happy birthday to you.
And very happy birthday to Luke Wixon in Baxter Springs, turning 8 today. Very
This
cool.
is great.
Happy birthday.
This is great right here because we get this dude's picture.
Yeah?
We get Luke's too. I mean, Wixon's do a great job sending pictures. We get this dude each and every year. Now, usually, he's rounding up head and whatnot like that. But look at this. Every now and then, Mom and Dad give him a day off, and he does a little fishing. Colton, that is one heck of a catch, my man.
Oh, yeah.
Now, for those of you that don't know, Colton is the head rancher of the Cleveland Cattle Company. Like I said, when you're the head rancher, sometimes you got to delegate. Take a little time for yourself.
Definitely.
A very happy 12th birthday, Colton. He's in Arma.
And very happy 12th birthday to Chloe Brown in St. Paul.
We've got a couple of Sweet 16s that we need to celebrate this morning. And the first one belongs to Elizabeth Malvin. Elizabeth, a very happy 16th to you in Reeds.
And a very happy 16th birthday to Allie Hill in Fort Scott. And this comes from Mom and Dad with love. Happy birthday.
We go to that Sweet 16 to the legal 21.
Right.
There you go. Braven Bourne. Braven, a very happy birthday. He is in Girard.
And now we're going to 26 with Janelle Merrill in McCune. Happy birthday.
Stephanie McConnell. Stephanie is celebrating her 41st birthday. Stephanie, very happy birthday. She's in Carthage.
Happy birthday, Stephanie.
What is it? What is she holding there? This is the result of the broken foot, folks. We gotta get up and walk over. What we got there? Oh, it's a Build-A-Bear.
Oh, okay.
I got you. Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, that's what the blanket said.
Nice. Happy birthday as well to Rhonda Haynes, turning 54 in Pittsburgh.
Happy birthday, Rhonda. And Mike Brown, he is celebrating his 56th birthday. Mr. Brown, he's got family and friends they're going to party with in Erie.
Happy birthday to Peggy Jones, 65 years old today in Girard. Happy birthday, Peggy.
In Columbus, our good friend Betty White is celebrating her 88th. Miss Betty, a very happy birthday to you. Look forward to seeing you soon, ma'am.
And a very happy birthday to Orville Smith in Cherokee, turning 90 today. Happy birthday.
Not only from us, but love from the whole family.
Yeah, love from the whole family. There you go.
This dude. What's up, Brad? Brad Wells celebrating a birthday in the Berg. Have a good one, Brad.
Now we're going to switch gears a little bit and congratulate people on anniversaries. This is Brian and Stacy McKenzie's 20th anniversary in St. Paul. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to walk over there. Congratulations, Brian and Stacy. Frank and Judy Meister, they're celebrating their 27th anniversary. Judy, frequent contributor on the old KOAM News Now Facebook page. Judy, always appreciate your engagement. They are celebrating their 27th anniversary in Pittsburgh.
And a very happy anniversary to Mike and V. Tubau.
What up,
43
Vi?
years in Jasper.
Vi, I miss running into you. And Mike, congratulations too. You look at Mike and Vi, they don't look like they're old enough to be married for 3 years.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mike and Vi. Mark McDowell, we're going to give you a screen all to yourself, sir. And I want you to have a marvelous birthday in Miami. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this last day of June. Here's Zach Dodge with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Curls and Curls